Okay. We're at San Gabriel Riverbed in South Monte off the 60 freeway. Over there you might see cars passing by, I don't know. But we're catching bluegill. So far we have, oh, you can't even see them. 6 of them about inside that bucket right now. But here we are. There's Jay right there hooking up his worm. Oh, and the guy next to us caught one. Nice. It's a small bluegill. Okay, let's see if he can hook one up. Alright, we're back. The guy caught another one next to us. As you can see, bluegill are pretty easy to catch.
That's how you do it. Just get a live worm, get a little piece, throw it on a little hook, and you get a little bluegill. It's easy. Sounds easy, doesn't it?
It's all of our junk. My Fluger Prez, yes.
And what usually happens to me all the time, I get tangled. Wouldn't be a fishing day if Jay didn't get tangled.
That is so true.
You just get this little piece of worm here, slide it on the hook, slide it on through.
Bobber swivel combo. Swivel acts as his split shot weight, which we ran out of. Okay, let's see if he can catch one. Be right back. Let's see if he can catch a nice bluegill here. Oh! Oh! Got the hit, but no hook on. See if he can catch another one. And again, we're over here at what's called the Emerald Necklace. I guess it curves around from the... Oh! And it's as easy as that. Little blue gill here.
Little fatty.
It's a little fatty. Go ahead and unhook them real quick.
Grab them?
Yeah.
You just grab them? They don't poke you? How do you grab them? From the belly?
There's a little kid teaching Jay how to hold a bluegill. We've never caught him before, so I guess it doesn't hurt to learn, even from the youngest fisherman. And there's about 8, 7 of them.
Back again at the San Gabriel River with Scriiimp, and he has his little split shot, little worm combo
6-pound line,
on 6-pound line, blue. Spider wire, all day, baby. And today is September 2nd, 2013.
Using the jig action instead of the suspended. Oh, I just got a hit. Oh.
And there it is.
Got one.
There she is. Bluegill number 10. It's a flopper.
Put its fins down.
Poke my eye with your pole.
Not squeezing it to death, but getting a good grip on it.
There we go. Hook out.
Drop the pole.
And there we go. Right in the bucket.
Oh,
well, it was in the bucket. It's a fighter.
And we're good. And let's see if he can get it on his rig. He has a suspended bobber again. Another bluegill.
Throw it in nice and slow. That worm float in the water.
He's out there pretty far. See his bobber in the middle of the screen, coming towards the camera. Let's see if we can see these little fry. You probably can't see them. They're all right there. There's more people over there on the riverbed, on the rocks. Might not be able to see them, but Nice and slow. Any takers? Oh, and we got a taker. No hook on though. No hook on. Oh, and hook on.
And that bluegill number.
It's another bluegill.
11.
There we go. And let's see if he's gonna
So
go ahead and grab it.
Corona Lake.
Which we went to last night and got snubbed.
Skunked.
Skunk. Kid fishing next to us. See?
Yeah.
Another lesson on bluegill. Grabbing. And in the bucket it goes. Alright guys, I missed the how can I say, the fight here, but I caught a tilapia. It's really big. Never caught one before. As you can see, it's poking out. Big sucker. Caught it on 6-pound line off of a worm split shot. Oh, I missed the fight because Jay was busy fishing as well. We got caught in a huge surprise. I did not expect to have those here at this lake. Some people watching, but off this right here, Canadian Nightcrawlers, pretty fat ones, and my fluger. But anyway, let's see if I can catch another one.